Number 7. The sounds of Saturn. Let's start with one of the creepiest sounds, the music that our most beautiful planet in the solar system, Saturn, produces. It shouldn't come to a surprise that our most mysterious looking planet produces very mysterious sounds. Most of this actually comes from Saturn's rings forever colliding with one another. Number 6. The sound of Earth. These are the sounds of the very planet we inhabit. It sounds very unnatural. And that makes sense, considering that we are producing a lot of artificial frequency that changes the musical tone of our planet. However, listening to this serves as a reminder that we are just another planet out of billions. Number 5. The sound of Neptune. The sound of Neptune is not exactly scary, but unsettling. The sounds mostly feel as though there's a never-ending storm within Neptune's interior, and that's exactly what's happening. Being the windiest and coldest planet in the solar system, one can only imagine what's going inside to cause such a ferocious sound. Number 4. The sound of Miranda. Miranda is one of Jupiter's many moons. This one in particular emits a desolate sound, kind of something you would hear if you were stranded in an ocean trench. What makes this sound even stranger is that it's a pretty unique sound coming from just a moon. Who knows what sounds other celestial objects may possibly carry. Number 3. The sound of the sun. The sound of our sun sounds nothing like it should, being a giant ball of plasma. However, it doesn't make it any scarier to listen to, considering that this sound is being emitted from the powerful waves that are constantly being produced by the largest structure that we'll ever be familiar with. Number 2. The sound of Jupiter. The sound of Jupiter is as powerful and stern as the god that the planet was named after. This planet emits such powerful electromagnetic waves that sometimes you can hear a whistling coming out of the planet's radio waves. There's not much more to explain about the sound, considering it's nothing but violent storms. And number 1. Vela Pulsar. Last, but certainly not least, is a powerful pulsar that is something on the edges of our universe. The fact that we can transmit the radio waves from such a faraway object exemplifies just how unimaginable certain celestial bodies are. Although it sounds like a helicopter or something similar, it's actually a rapidly rotating black hole that is clicking and jetting out electromagnetic waves.